How to make every day exciting. Set aside time for yourself, things that you love to do, like painting, writing, drawing, any type of activities. Take that time and lock it in your schedule. Make it important. It's like a date with yourself, because if it's not in your calendar, it doesn't exist. Second, choose your company. Choose to hang out with people that will lift you up, that will boost your energy, that wants nothing but the best for you. The last one, document your journey. Keep a record of everything that you do and how it makes you feel. It can be a journal, a blog, even record yourself. Imagine wake up every morning you know that you're going to do something that you love, something that will inspire you, something that will make you jump out of bed. How great it will make you feel. Think about it, what if every week would feel like that with high energy and it keeps you motivated every single day.